Hello, this is Larissa with The Art of Resume, and today I'll be teaching you how to change your colors on your resume. So there's a few different options here, and right off the bat I'll show you pictures. A picture is something that's not made in Microsoft Word. It would be like a JPEG or a PNG. What you'll need to do is you'll need to select it, and you can either double click on it or you can right click it. From here you go down to Format Picture. This will open up a side panel, and within this side panel you'll have different options here at the top. You'll want to go to the very last one, the picture frame, and you'll want to go down to recolor. Under recolor you can choose a different color. We'll go with purple, and you can choose the brightness, the contrast, or anything else. Now, for your next option, it will be changing the shape. Now, a shape is something that's made in Microsoft Word. It's either a square, circle, rectangle. It's a solid color, essentially. And it's the same. You either need to double click or you need to right click. And you need to go down to Format Shape. This will open up the same panel. You'll want to go under the first option, the paint bucket, and change your color here. Now if you go down, you can go down to more colors, and if you would like to choose the same color as something, say, on the resume, you can choose right here the little eyedropper and choose anywhere the colors that you'd like, and this will change and give you that option. Now say if you want something slightly different, you can go back again, go to more colors, and from here you have a bunch of different options that you can choose. So if you'd like to offset a little bit, say a little bit more purple, click OK, and that will change the colors. Now for your next color change will be the border, and this is with the wording and the underline. You just need to make sure your cursor is showing up. Make sure you're under Home. Go to your Borders option, which is right here. Go to the arrow beside and click. Go down to Borders and Shading. Here you'll find your color options. If you want to have the same color as before, you can choose here, or you can choose the color before that. And you'll need to go here to the side and see where the pink is showing up. You'll just need to double click right here until the purple shows, and then press OK, and that will change your border. Now if you'd like to change your font, it's quite simple. You just need to highlight the font or select the text box, and under Home just go right here and choose your color. You can choose here or here, and that is how you change the colors in your resume. Thank you.